Step 1. Avoid risks. Because failure is embarrassing. If it feels hard, it must not be for you. Step 2. Make impressing others your life's mission. Luckily, social media gives you the perfect stage to show off while quietly wasting time. Step 3. Convince yourself you have plenty of time. Push your goals, dreams, and responsibilities onto future you. Step 4. Believe that everyone else knows better. Assume you're always wrong and let every opinion around you shape your decisions. Step 5. Stay with toxic friends because finding better ones takes effort. Step 6. Keep yourself busy but never stop to reflect. Jump from one distraction to another, always searching for the next thing. Step 7. Never exercise. Sweating is uncomfortable and discipline only traps you. Just do whatever feels easy in the moment. Step 8. Never question anything. Don't ask stupid questions. Don't read books. Don't think too deeply. Just let social media tell you what to believe, what to buy, and who to impress. Step 9. Before bed, blast bright screens in your face. Fill your head with noise, stare into blue light, and guarantee yourself restless nights. If you're following these steps, then congratulations. You're successfully ruining your 20s. But if you want to fix it, then watch these next videos.